Hey, it's Jewl with the Daily Drop. If you are looking for an alternative to CBD or marijuana, doTERRA may just have your answer. Now, CBD and THC is wrapped up in so much controversy state to state. I don't care where you live, all over the world, you've probably heard the debates going on. However, if you are wanting an alternative to these things that still helps soothe the endocannabinoid system without any traces of the psychoactive responses or the controversy, this might be just what you're looking for. Recently, doTERRA has been saying that they have an essential oil called Copaiba, which has very similar properties to a CBD oil, but a completely different way of obtaining it and the compounds in it. Now, in your body, there are CB1 receptors and CB2 receptors. CB1 occurs in the nerve cells of our brain. It influences pain and memory regulation, but when triggered, does produce that psychoactive effect we commonly associate with the marijuana high that is found in THC. Now, the CB2 receptors work within our immune system. The CB2 receptors affect the white blood cells to help support a healthy immune function while soothing and relaxing the body to reduce inflammation and discomfort. So why is it so important that we know these things? The reason why this is so important is because Copaiba has recently been recognized for its ability to soothe the CB2 receptors, our body, but not the CB1 receptors in our brain, which means no psychoactive high, but remains the ability to soothe your body. Now, this is because this oil has a compound called β-Caryophyllene, which is a Sesquiterpene, which is a compound that can be found in hundreds of different plant species. However, what makes Copaiba so unique more than any other plant is because it has 55% β-Caryophyllene, with the potential as a treatment for a wide variety of health issues. Beta-caryophyllene have been found to be extremely supportive in helping the kidney and liver systems, to ease feelings of tension and discomfort in the body. It helps address temporary inflammation. It can ease anxiety and low energy feelings. It can even support those wanting to overcome unhealthy dependencies to harmful substances. Just putting 1 to 2 drops of this oil under your tongue can help support the health of the cardiovascular system, the immune, the digestion, the nervous system, and the respiratory systems. It also provide you with antioxidant support, and it can soothe and calm the nervous system. You just want to be careful that you're only using doTERRA's oils when it comes to this for internal use, because they are a company that stands behind this way of using this oil. Now, if you don't feel comfortable using an essential oil internally, or maybe you just don't even like the taste of it, that's all right. You can actually use this oil topically for areas of discomfort, or place this oil on your pulse points to help with that emotional support you might be looking for. There are lots of ways to modulate the body's endocannabinoid system. Why not try this amazing oil from the Amazon that has been studied to help our bodies so much? Down in the description of this video, I'm going to leave you with a whole bunch of different research articles, because knowledge and learning for yourself is what gives you power to make choices for your body and your health. Thanks for watching, you guys. I hope this gives you an idea of what an alternative may be that you might be looking for to help your body. Thanks for watching.